Jeff, and today we're showing off our newest flex shaft machine. This is our flex shaft KM-1004 milling machine. So our first flex shaft machine is really optimized for milling, so those longer, heavy descaling jobs. The 1004, it will come with 80 feet of 5/16 cable. Also, you have the versatility to swap over to 1/4-inch cable. So you can get your jobs done from 1.25 all the way up to 4-inch. You can see here we have our 18-volt battery. It'll run on the 18-volt battery, so same battery with your cameras, pressing tools. It also has the option to be plugged into the wall. So versatile is there as well. So shorter jobs, drain cleaning jobs, run on the battery. Longer milling, descaling jobs, plug it into the wall, and you have that all day long time. With this machine, we have reinstatement power as well. So after you're doing your milling, descaling, ready to reline, you line your pipe. So right here we have a piece of patch. I know you wouldn't reinstate through a patch, but for this demo, act as if this is a reline section of pipe. We're going to cut through and reinstate the lateral. So Jeff is going to get that ready. So right now we're going to go through 490s out and then do the reinstatement. What you'll see also on our screen, we have cable counting. So after you're aligning, your inspection with your camera, you know how far out you are. You can just go directly and see on your machine how far out your cable is. So he zeroed it out as he's entering the line. Inside the machine as well, since you can swap over cables, it will auto-detect the cable size and adjust the clutch. You have internal clutch in there, so that's going to protect your cable from flipping over. And then these bottom two arrows, we have variable speed control. So we're doing the reinstatement. We're going to want to be at max speed. So he's already made it through the 490s. And also we have a camera in here, so you'll be able to see this is the reinstatement happening when he's going to punch through.
It's also 16 feet out, so you'll see the counter show 16. So I'm at the patch now, I'm going to reset it. Clutch going?
Yep.
Protect the cable.
Right there, the clutch out. That's the electronic clutch I was talking about. You're getting caught up in that patch. It's going to clutch out. All you have to do is step off the foot pedal, step back on it, it'll keep running. I think there was stuff here.
Also now tell, based on cable counting, I'm past 6, I'm at 18 feet, so another layer of validation.
So there we go, we reinstated. So now we go back in, we clean off that reinstatement. So we have our sandpaper attachments. So Jeff's going to go back in with that and kind of clean up the edges.
Well, I mean, these, I don't know why.
So we have our second machine already set up here, but you just switch over, take the reinstatement tool off, add the sandpaper, and clean up those edges. The first patch in there, we started with this.
Yeah, you're right. But I wanted to
So, pretty hard. We went in, we cut a hole, now we're going to clean up the edges. So the finished product will end up looking like this. Clean up the edges, we've reinstated the pipe, everything's flowing nice.
I'm just going to work my way up to the reline section. And again, I zeroed my cable counter, so I'm looking for about 16 feet.
Now this time just going at it with battery only. It's not plugged into the wall.
It's not running a lot because I don't want to damage the clear PVC too much.
Yeah, so he'll just hit the foot pedal to get it to help with moving it along and pushing it out where we're trying to get to.
Just on the shoulder. As you can see, it's already a lot cleaner. So we went in, we reinstated. You could also go in after your reinstatement with some carbide chains, clean that up, and then finish it with the sandpaper. So again, this is our KM-1004, super versatile, capability to mill, reinstate. You have the dual power option, battery powered corded option. So we're really excited about this. Is launching late summer 2024. Let me know if you have any questions.